here to do this work. I also have a home buyers book. It's called Blacks in America, 18 to 48, and Still No House. Our average age as of 2018 to buy our first house is 48 years old. So what I do with that book is I put all the mistakes that I made when I purchased my house in the book. I also put the terms that we need to be familiar with, so that when you go and you sit down with a loan officer, they're not talking a foreign language to you. That book is for 9th grade and up. Teachers, parents also, they would benefit from that book. And then my latest release is called Is Your Son Ready to Leave Home? That's an awareness book for young men, where I'm teaching them about the things that are waiting to attack them when they step out into the real world. For the home buyers book, I have a course. For those of while I have a course for the Is Your Son Ready to Leave Home? I have workshops. I don't have a course for that one yet, but thank you for your time. And all of you guys that are authors, I think the number is 3% of people that start to write a book finish it. So you guys have done an amazing achievement.